Hey guys, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and a few words about the recent news here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy here on YouTube. I'm going to opening a new department. It's called Jazz Guitar Improvisation. I created a new trailer for that. Those of you who probably know the old trailer, they will see it's pretty similar to the old one. Yeah. Yeah, and that's one thing. The other thing is to interact now in the HPCrazy Students Club. Join there. It's a free service, a tool which I'm offering to get a more community vibe among you students there. On every lesson, you can go there and post your recording and start to share your way of playing to others. I also check it out from time to time if I have time. If I don't have always check it out. It's not about showing off or stuff. It's about learning and about getting a feeling of presenting what you're doing and not only staying at home and just playing for yourself. That's the main idea of this exchange. Check out the HPCrazy Students Club. The link is in the description box below. And there the instructions are written there how to do that. Good. One more to say. This thing, that was my live set for last year, I must say. I like this little idea of this. It's like, it's an, how you say, it's an amp simulation. You have several amps and delays, and it's a multi-effect thing with amp simulation. Pretty similar to Fractal Audio products, but I wanted to have a really small one. That's why I have this, but Fractal Audio has a new device now, which I have now, so I don't need this anymore. So if you, somebody out there wants this from me, it's for sale. Highest bid goes. All my presets are on it. And if you buy it, you also support the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. I cannot give it for free in these times because I need to also survive. So this is, I won't call it giveaway because, yeah. So if somebody of you wants this, all my presets, and I played like 1 year, all my shows with that, and it's cool. Yeah. One more to say. The community thought, which started with the HPCrazy Students Club, is one thing which I want to push forward now, because the best way to learn is to communicate with others and to share. Because if you don't never get a feedback from others, if somebody likes it, doesn't like it, even if you're still learning at the beginning, it's about sharing and about exchanging. And that's the thing which I'm offering now. And very soon there's an app available. Also, the information is going to be posted there in the HPCrazy Students Club, how to get the app. And still in beta phase, so I cannot announce too much. But these are basically the current news which are going on. Yo, that's about it. See you guys.